Hi guys, this is Myls and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to make quick and easy chicken wrap. Let's start with 1 pound of chicken breast. We will remove the bones. This is pre-marinated chicken. I'm going to share the link here or on the description box below on how I do it. But this is basically just salt and pepper. We'll cut this into strips. And then we will prepare a very simple coating of just 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix this until all the chicken are well coated. Preheat the pan, drizzle a small amount of cooking oil, and start stir frying your chicken strips. This will give the chicken that grill-like flavor that I'm sure you're going to like. Then let's prepare our vegetables. We have 3 pieces of small tomatoes here, seeded and sliced. But before that, I have already washed some lettuce. For added freshness, let's peel and slice some cucumbers, but don't forget to remove the seeds. So we have the grill-like flavor of the chicken and the freshness of the vegetables. And slice in 1 small onion. We don't really like onions, so just a small one. And let's start preparing the chicken dressing by squeezing in 1/4 of the lemon. This is about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Don't forget to remove the seeds. We'll mix it with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of full cream milk. This to make the dressing a bit runny. We don't want it to be thick. Add a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of soy sauce. To give this dish that Asian flavor, we will add half teaspoon of sesame oil. For added spice, we will add half teaspoon of Korean chili paste. If you want it more spicy, you can add more. You can also use Tabasco or chili flakes. To complete the dish, I have here a homemade tortilla bread. The recipe, I'm going to share the link here or on the description box below. This if a tortilla is not available on your local groceries. But of course, homemade tortillas is always the best. Now let's assemble our chicken wrap. Let's start with laying in our vegetables. Top it with the chicken. If you like cheese, you can also put some grated cheese. After this, we will drizzle our wrap with the Asian dressing that we made. Looks nice. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like this video. And also please subscribe to my channel for other mouth-watering dishes. I definitely recommend that you try this recipe as soon as possible. If you have questions about this recipe, please feel free to comment down below. And also don't forget to click that notification button for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please also check out my other recipes. I hope you like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!